Hi. Wow, I am extremely overexposed. Focus on my face, thank you. Okay, guys, I'm doing a makeup video, which I haven't done in like I did a makeup in my homecoming video, but it wasn't really a tutorial. This isn't even really a tutorial, it's just like a makeup video. But I'm gonna be doing my makeup, like my fall makeup, along with like showing how I cover up my like acne, my breakouts, my pimples, my blemishes, my little friends. From this point of view, my skin might not look that bad. It might, I don't know. I feel like I'm a little blind in the viewfinder, can't tell. I just look like a white blob with black hair and my dog's right there. I just rhymed, not gonna talk about it, but my forehead breaks out a lot. My chin recently, like my chin. You might not believe me, but I'll insert pictures here just to prove it. My skin's not flawless and perfect like majority of girl YouTubers. I'm just gonna show you guys how I kind of make myself feel better in my own skin, because it's hard. I don't think I've like never gone to school without makeup, because I feel uncomfortable when I don't, because I've been wearing makeup for so long that like going to school, I'm around my peers and they've seen the same face with makeup since middle school. I'm like, well, yeah, practically since middle school. Like, are you sick? Are you okay? You look really tired. And I'm just like, I'm gonna moisturize with just some CeraVe moisturizer, because yeah, dry skin with makeup, not a good mix. You look a little crusty, especially if you have a pimple that's drying up and it's like flaky. Ugh. No, absolutely not. Also, recommendation, if you have one of those pimples where it's kind of a scab or a flake, don't pick it. Just put makeup over it, because if you pick it, it'll be like wet and then makeup won't cover it. It just won't. I make that mistake way too often. Sealer, still. I've been using that since I started my YouTube channel. It's good. But it dries kind of quickly. Sorry, it dries kind of quickly, so I put it in like my forehead area, right? And then I grab mine and then I blend the top out. I forgot on my leggings. And I put like my chin and like the cheek area. You guys are seeing it looks crazy. I blend this out. Do you guys like makeup videos? Because I like to watch them sometimes. I'm not always like on watching makeup videos. I like vlogs and stuff, because I don't know, but I feel like if I'm looking for like something to help me, a makeup video would be good, or is good. Okay, now I look like a monster, like I'm dead, because my eyes are all red and dark and whatever, and my face is like blank. Like, girl, oh, she's trying to leave. I'm not letting her. I trapped her in here. Boom. And then cover them eye bags, okay? Because they're really bad. I put it under just like a lot, because then I put on the lids and everything. I feel like I'm mumbling. I probably am. I feel like, I don't know. My skin was pretty good during the summer. At some points it wasn't, but a lot of the time it was, because I think I was in the sun, I was at the beach, and it just was clear. But then I started breaking out like a lot. And I can't figure out how to clear it. It's a really hard life. Being a teenager sucks, okay? We are going to powder the under eye area, because that will crease. You'll crease. So I grabbed this like flat top brush. I have no idea what the brand is, but whatever. And some powder. This is the Physicians Formula one. It's blue. I don't know. It's like the healthy skin or something. I feel like powder is something to make your skin look good. You don't want to apply powder everywhere because it makes you look cakey. Just apply it to like your under eyes just so those won't crease and look, that'll make it look cakey if it's creased. So just apply it like there. And then like on like the pimples, you can't really see, but I can see here in person. The pimples, they kind of shine, so like kind of go over those. Just a little bit. Just like, yeah, like that. And then I leave it all the rest not powdered because I don't want to look dusty. Now I do contouring. When did that happen? When did you guys fall over? Rude. Now I do contouring or bronzing or whatever. What's the difference? I recently started using this little tiny brush. It's like the one I was just using, but like tiny. Take this shade and I just start, you know. Chin, you know, we want to get rid of any double chin we might have. Go on the nose with the excess. I don't like a super contoured nose because it looks weird. I just kind of put like the excess on it to bring back the shape of a nose because it kind of disappears when I put all the concealer on. I have a big forehead. I literally can't change it, so we're just gonna contour it until it looks not smaller. I don't understand how people are like, yeah, it makes your forehead look smaller. No, it doesn't. Okay? It does not make your forehead look smaller. So, stop lying to us big foreheaded gals. It's really kind of rude. Not gonna lie to you. It's rude. But I still do it. This brush. I don't know like brush shapes. So yeah. And this blush. And I really go ham. We've been going ham, but like I won't stop. And then I just go across the cheeks like this. No, I just like, yeah. I put my blush on, put so much blush on to where it distracts everyone that you have pimples. They're like, why do you have so much blush on? They're not gonna be like, dang, she's got pimples, you know? So I just do that. I kind of go just like all across this area with my blush because I freaking want to. Let's put some highlighter on. And I'm taking this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Hustler Baby. And I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones because highlighter is just so pretty. Are you kidding me? Oh, you got a glow. Everyone's gonna be like, dang, she's got a glow. They're not gonna be like, dang, she's a teenager. I get a little on my finger. I do the tip of my nose. Fluffy blendy brush. I'm gonna take, come here, stop trying to leave. My room is a mess, whatever, get over it. But she's like sitting by the door. I'll let her out, whatever. Do you want out? Do you? Bye. I'm gonna take my bronzer again on this eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna put it in my crease. This is what I do. Dang it, I forgot to do my eyebrows first. I did my eyebrows before my eyeshadow. Okay, hold on. Did you guys hear the noises I made with my mouth? I talked about this in my pumpkin mukbang. Okay, but this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. So I've zoomed you guys, you guys are really close to my face. I've zoomed you guys into my face to do my brows. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows because people don't do that. They'll be like, eyebrows are on. Like, wait, how'd you do that? So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so we brush them up. And you see this like bald spot like right here, like major, like everywhere's a little bald, but like right here's a lot. Don't know what happened there. We started there, that's the starting grounds. And now we're silent. Alright, now we're done. Just kidding. Oh, I started doing like a line on top. And then we go down into it. That was awful. That looks so bad. Ugh, frick. We blend her with a little spoolie over here. We just like brush her out. Oh. Fill in the bald spots. We need to do the front before I literally hate my life because they look so bad. Put it like to the base, like I like lay it against my eyebrow and I just like flick it upwards and it gets the littlest amount of color, which is all you need. All you freaking need in the front of your eyebrow. And then we blend it out. You push them all up. You blend that a little bit. Maybe on a little bit more here because you look a little weird. And there you have it, an eyebrow. It looks, my eyebrows always look like bam bam pow before I do the rest of my like eyes and stuff, but come here, so I'm looking at it that much. Beauty guru moment, beauty guru moment. It's completely running out. We're just like, I'm like scrubbing it on. That's not the right word to use, but I'm scrubbing it on. Okay, you know what? We have eyebrows. Okay, wait. Like right here, bald. Whatever. Anyways, so pause of the video. I have a TikTok and I post on it. And if you want to follow my TikTok to see a whole nother side of me, go on ahead. It'll be linked down below. Yeah. And then if you want to follow my other social medias, I'll like put it here or something, whatever. Let's get back to the makeup. Sorry for that self-promo, I just kind of felt like it. Because it's fall, I should do like a fun color. I'm gonna take my dirty Hill palette and pop it open. So I'm gonna take this burnt orange color, the shimmery one. It's called Firework. And I'm just gonna put that on because look how fall. I'm using my finger because not everyone has brushes. We all have fingers. Okay, now that that's sloppily on my face, that just exposed me. Did you guys hear the palette fall on the bag of chips on my floor? If you did, here you go, proof. They're chips. They're flaming hot dill pickle chips. Oh, they're so good. Blend this out with that brush again. Cute. This Glossier brow flick, but I'm not gonna use it for my brows. I'm gonna use it for eyeliner, and we're just gonna flick it on, just like that. And like maybe like throw a little bit under here. I don't know why I did that. Doesn't look that great, but also I forgot to put eyebrow gel on, so I'm gonna do that now. I look like a mess. Curling my eyelashes with my like 87-year-old eyelash curler. I normally use the like L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, but I ran out of that, so I'm gonna use this. It's the Damn Girl Too Faced mascara, and it's a tiny one that I got in an Ipsy bag. Oh yeah, we're looking better now. Mascara. Period. Oh, okay. Lips, I like to do this, like the Glossier Cloud Paint, the stuff for your cheeks, but I put on my lips because I like it. Practically, since we're done, and I should talk about the skin because that was something I talked about in the beginning about how I cover up my pimples. Obviously you can't cover texture up. I don't think it's possible, like, to cover it with makeup. It's not venomous. Oh frick, I just like squirted it out. Dang it. It covers this makeup covers like my under eyes pretty well, except for I just have like under eyes. I don't know. Oh my god, we're done. We're literally done. Just take the hair back because it doesn't want to show my face. So whatever, texture's texture. It's okay. Yay! My makeup's all done. That's fun. It's 8:53 p.m. How I bring fall vibes to my face. How I feel comfortable in my skin even though it's covered. I feel like that's really what I started in my channel, was like very like beauty guru vibes, like major, but I'm kind of trying to veer away from it, except I just did a makeup tutorial, or video, whatever. I like to do vlogs and stuff more, or like just like not beauty guru videos, but like also I like to make content that I like to watch, so here we are. Never mind, we're putting back down. I don't care if I get washed out. I'm gonna end the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you didn't like it, I'm just wondering why you're still here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time on my channel. Okay, see you guys next time. Goodbye.